Good morning, everybody. Welcome to episode 101, and it is Wednesday. We have 4 more days at home, then we're out of here for like 4 or 5 weeks. Should be a great time. Super excited to get going on that, but we're still trying to get everything wrapped up here. You know, this morning on Facebook, somebody posted, I'll have to look up who it was. I'll tell you later in the video because I know him. I just can't pull his name up right now. Anyway, he posted something about what's everybody in such a hurry for, and I'm really guilty of that. Even when I go for my bike ride every morning, like, I'm in a hurry. Like, I want to get it done as fast as I can get it done, instead of just enjoying the sun and the breeze and the exercise and the fact that I woke up another day and I'm functioning. I mean, that's never on my mind. It's always work and what am I going to do for a video and like all that stuff, and how quickly can I get my workout done type of thing. And yesterday we went and had Mama Badger's eyes done, and like, people were stopping and they were waiting for like a car when they could have went like 3 fucking times. And I'm like vocalizing the fact that they could have went 3 times in the car, not yelling at them, just, you know, in the car, like, what the and Angie called me out on it. She's like, I mean, what's your hurry? Well, what's your problem? Why are you always in a hurry? I am always in a hurry. That happens when I'm on the motorcycle too. Like, if we set a destination and I have a plan, like, my only goal is that plan. Like, if we're planning on being there at 6 p.m., my goal is to get this there at 6 p.m. or sooner, which kind of stops us from stopping places and doing things. Now, I have my reasons. Like, you know, Angie does not like to ride in the dark, so I always try to have us end by dark. And then finding food. We don't like to eat at 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night, so I like to get somewhere and eat. So I do have my reasons, but sometimes those reasons are just like, is that really that important? And the truth is, no, it's not. It's not that important. So I'm making a pact with myself to slow down and just stop hurrying so much, and soak up a little more life, enjoy it a little more. We only get so much of it. Every minute that I'm in a hurry, I should probably be enjoying. So hopefully you enjoy all your minutes today, and we will get some coffee and see you in a little while. All right, it's an errand running kind of day. Angie got new glasses yesterday, which she wasn't exactly happy with. She couldn't see out of the sides correctly. So we went to the back to the eyeglass shop. They got her fixed up better anyway.
Good now.
Good now. She's good now.
It's just something to think about when you're on the road. I don't know who wears glasses or contacts, but when you're out on the road, I always take an extra pair of contacts in case I rip a pair, and then I make sure my glasses are good.
Now we're walking over to Taco Hell for some lunch.
Breezy. You probably can hear that wind.
It is pretty windy. And then we're going to Staples to try to get some labels, because we ordered some off of Amazon, and yeah, it's
horrible.
It's a mess. There's no template, there's no nothing. So we're hopefully, fingers crossed, they'll have them at Staples.
I'm stressed about that.
And then yeah, oh, what fun. Welcome to our lives a few days before we leave. Trying to get everything wrapped up, but first, some lunch. So when the air conditioning is too cold in Taco Bell for Mama, what do you end up doing? You end up sitting out in the parking lot having a picnic for lunch.
No, I'm just getting him ready for the trip. There you go.
That's it. She's prepping me for the trip, because it's always too cold inside and we always have to eat outside. Anywho, yeah, see, these are all the things we have to do to prepare to go on the road. We had to go get dog food and cat food, and we still got to go to Walmart and get cat litter and all that fun stuff, so that the doggies and kitty will be taken care of while we're gone. Right, Ange?
Right.
Oh, that's it today, guys. Just odds and ends, running around, trying to get everything wrapped up. Mama got her nails did. She's all beautified. How's those nails?
Beautified.
Are they nailed? Did you nail it? Nailed it. Anyway, so just knocking things out. Now it's time to knock this out, and we'll see you all tomorrow.